All right, 16 feet. We need to adjust that corner brace. Got it. I'll hit the stake now. All right, easy down. Look straight from here. Yeah, that's it.
This has to be the place. It's defensible and hidden.
It's risky being this close to the water, but I don't see a better option.
How's the length on this side? Looks good, 16 feet exactly. Check the diagonal now. All right, 16 feet. We need to adjust that corner brace. Got it. I'll hit the stake now.
Bring it down easy.
All right, hold it there. A little to the left.
Setting it down now. Watch your hands.
All right, easy down. Look straight from here. Yeah, that's it. Perfect fit. This measurement is good. Okay, I'll start bringing the new timber over. Seems secure. I'm heading down to check the base structure. Keep an eye on that waterline ingress point.
Measure the width. 6 feet, 10 inches. What about the height? 9 feet.
Did you feel that? It's lifting.
All right, they're attaching the cables now.
Hold it steady. I'm trying. Pulling now. Okay, bring it forward. Whoa, is it supposed to do that?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it just settled.
All right, let's check that measurement again. Almost done with this wall.
Yeah.
Push it tight against the frame. You good? Yep. Hitting it now. Start the cut right there.
Yeah.
Stand clear, this is gonna be loud. Almost got this section secured. How are the spools looking down there? We're good, I'll feed the next strip up to you now. Make sure that lines up with the hatch hinges. Did you get that wire nut secured? Yeah, this one's ready for the box.
The kitchenette is fully functional, and these shelves pull out for extra storage. The craftsmanship on this woodwork is incredible. Even the bathroom door is seamless.
This stew is incredible. Yeah, it really warms you up out here in the cabin.
Sounded close. Get the water.
After months of work, the bunker was finally complete. They knew they were ready for anything.